Hi, I'm Brian Walter with Lockheed Martin Aeronautics Skunk Works. I'd like to show you BattleViz. BattleViz is a tool that we developed for our operations analysis group to help them visually be able to search through and better understand the gigabits of data that their scenario tools generate. This one came from an EAD sim scenario. And what we see here already is that Jared's pre-selected a couple of entities of interest, Blue Jammer 1 and Red Sam 2. We're going to look at the interactions between those two. So he's going to Blue Jammer 1 and turning on detections, shots, suppress detections, jamming, and passive detections. The ones we're most interested in for this demonstration is detections, which are orange, shots, which are red, and jams, which are blue. You can also see already that there are some lines showing you these interactions between our Blue Jammer and several other units. So we're going to move forward in the time and get to our point of interest. What we see here is there's a lot of interaction going on between Blue Jammer and Red Sam at this point. So we'll zoom in to get a little closer view. We can see that Blue Jammer is trying to jam the Red Sam due to that blue arrow there. But we see that his jam is being unsuccessful because he's being detected due to the orange arrow, and worse yet, being shot at because of the red arrow. So this is the kind of interaction that they would be interested in looking into and trying to figure out why that jam was unsuccessful. To do this before, they would have had to go through different spreadsheets and correlate them all together and build a chart. This way they can rapidly search the data space in an interactive way. Now, this scenario has a very small number of entities. More typical scenarios that they deal with have several thousand entities, so we put in a lot of effort to filter out and let them drill into the part they're interested in. One of the big ones is relative entities, which Jared has just pushed, and it gets rid of all entities that don't interact with the one that you're interested in. So in that way, you can turn a very large, cluttered scenario into something that's smaller and easier to analyze.